My name is Aditi and welcome to the channel. This channel will be NEET based and only NCRT points will be covered, and all the best. I don't think I'll ever shift from NCRT because I think we all know that what's coming in the exam. So we'll be discussing group number 17, page number 192, occurrence. And here we go. We'll only be discussing the main points which are important for the exam. Nothing which is related to increasing your knowledge on daily basis. Okay, so here we go. So group 17, we all know that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Also there is one more element which is not more discussed, that is acetine, and it's given in the NCRT that it's radioactive. So we need to remember that it is radioactive. And also some more points are given in occurrence, and we all know that group 17 is actually halogens, so we'll remember that also. And halogens means salt forming, so we all know that. Next point we'll be covering is occurrence. So fluorine and chlorine are fairly more abundant than bromine and iodine, so we'll remember this. That is the first point. Second point we'll be remembering is three formulas which are given in the NCRT, that is cryolite, fluorspar, and the third one is fluorapatite. We'll remember cryolite as Na3AlF6, और इसको अपन हम याद रखेंगे नल से लग गई, सो NaL, नल से लग गई तो हम रो रहे हैं, तो इट्स Na3AlF6. Okay, the next point is fluorspar, which is actually CaF2. This is also very important. Fluorspar is CaF2. The next is fluorapatite. It's not that important, but it's given in the NCRT, so we need to take a look over that. And it is 3Ca PO4 whole twice. It's 3PO4 whole twice dot CaF2. So CaF2 is actually fluorspar. So fluorspar से ये आया है, and this is calcium phosphate, so which forms apatite. So fluorapatite. It's easy to remember. The next formula which is given on the same page is cum-akal carnallite. You need to remember that it's carnallite, and I remember it as cum-akal. The formula, as you can see, it's something rhyming with the word. It is KCl dot MgCl2 dot 6H2O. So we'll remember this as K cum akal dot 6H2O. It is carnallite. The last point which is given in the occurrence thing is that in the marine life forms, two percentages are given. One is 0.5% by mass. It's a general point. And the next thing is given that in shale soil petre, it is 0.2% by mass. It's given in the NCRT. I don't think there's a PYQ related to this information, but it can come, so we can't take any risk. Okay, so I think this is the collective points which are given on the page 192 that we have discussed. Thank you.